Every parent wants their child to be happy and healthy, and one of the top ways to do this is ensuring they're getting the right nutrition. So today I'm going to be talking specifically about vitamins A, C and D because these are some of the top nutrients to support your child's health. First up is vitamin A, which helps with your children's immune system, eye health, skin and growth and development. It's also been shown to help with skin conditions like acne and eczema. You can find vitamin A in all kinds of food like spinach, mango, sweet potatoes, carrots, kale and milk. My 4-year-old son loves drinking milk, but I didn't learn until recently that when milk is exposed to LED lights, typically found in supermarket dairy aisles or homes, it starts to lose its vitamin A within 2 hours of light exposure. Also, research has shown that after 24 hours of sunlight, riboflavin levels, also known as vitamin B2, have dropped by 28%. This is significant because riboflavin is responsible for growth, development, and cell functions in the body. I like to get vitamin A into my children by making herby, oven-baked sweet potato fries. Simply slice some sweet potatoes, coat them in oil, corn flour, mix herbs and paprika and bake them in the oven. Next up, vitamin C, a great nutrient to help support your children's general health and immune system. You can get vitamin C from a wide range of fruits and vegetables, like Brussels sprouts, oranges, broccoli and strawberries. Now, apples don't have as much vitamin C as oranges, but they're still a great source, and I like to use apple pizzas as a way of getting vitamin C into my children. You just take some apple slices, spread some peanut butter on top, sprinkle with cinnamon and raisins, and then you've got an amazing vitamin C snack. Last up is vitamin D, also known as the sunshine vitamin because your skin absorbs it from the sun. Vitamin D is really good in helping keeping your children's teeth, bones and muscles really healthy. Now, besides letting my children play outside, which is the cheapest way to get some vitamin D, I like to make them vegetable egg muffins to keep them topped up with this amazing vitamin. They're super simple to make. Just bake some eggs in a muffin tin with some milk, cherry tomatoes, spinach and cheddar cheese and add your favourite seasoning. If you're worried that your child isn't getting enough vitamins D, C and A, you can give them supplements. Actually, it's recommended by the NHS that children from 6 months to 5 years are given vitamin supplements D, C and A every day. However, this can be different for formula-fed babies, so please consult your GP if you have any questions. Remember, when storing your supplements, keep them in a dark, cool environment. I like to keep ours in the kitchen cupboard. For more information on nutrition and light protection, visit lightdamageisreal.com. Check out the recipes by visiting the link in the description below. And also remember to subscribe to Mumsnet.